Good morning to my audience. Here we have Mr. Sumit Sen, who is the Head Employee Relations Southeast Asia HOL. Sir, we welcome you to this Tube Media Bite.
Thank you.
Sir, you have just received the award from EFI.
Yes.
So, what does this award mean to you and your organization?
First of all, let me thank the jury and EFI for going through this process itself of having this sort of an initiative done, which is extremely helpful for the function itself as well as the organizations which are participating into it. I would also congratulate the other recipients of the award. And what this exactly means to us, more so to the organization, I would feel it means to the ER fraternity itself as a recognition, as a feedback also to all of us that whatever we are doing in the right direction, in the right spirit, and more so what value addition this function of employee relations does to the business, to sustain the business, grow the business, and bring in much more of vitality and livelihood within people. I think that is what it means to us as well as the ER fraternity as a whole.
So, you have won this award for 2 continuous years. So from this moment, how do you plan to develop and sustain your good practices and maybe win this award for the years to come?
See, as you said, we have won this continuous for 2 years. It itself says that we have sustained it, developed it. That is why we are here in the 2nd year itself. Yes, we have been churning ourselves quite a lot as far as employee relations is concerned. People is not at all a cost, it's an asset to us, and they actually bring in whatever change, whatever the business wants. So that is the way we treat it. We have quite a lot of our global practices being also inherited within India. Apart from that, actively look forward to other organizations, other people who are there in the fraternity, what exactly is going on, and benchmark yourselves, and sky is the limit. You go forward and do whatever you want, because end of the day you are dealing with people, dealing with self. You are also the same person as you are dealing with. So there is no limit to what you can achieve out of this. We have heard about how to do employee engagement, we have heard about how to build up careers, we have heard about how to take people forward and put them into